What are we doing?
We're doing an intro today.
Come across an autocross. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, what's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Now today we're here at Evergreen Speedway and we're actually participating in an autocross event. Essentially this is just gonna be a quick update video on the Civic, but I also wanted to just go over what the boys are bringing today. So we got David's WRX, and sorry for all the rapping in the background and stuff. We got the tents out here. We also got James's MR2 Spider with the drop top, and then we have Ray's E36 chilling over here. But before we get into the video, I did want to just show you all the stuff that we've been working on. As you guys know, with the past couple of videos, we've been making sure to make some refinements and upgrades with the Civic, purely focusing on the interior. So what we have now is we have the Corbeau A4 seats with the NRG quick release, MOMO steering wheel, as well as the hybrid racing shifter, as well as the DC Sports Colder intake. And primarily this is just to show a little bit of a checkpoint in terms of the journey of what we're doing with the car. So we'll take this out to the track and show you guys the performance difference from us before with the stock seats and the stock wheel hanging on for dear life. So I think this will just be a quick little cut for you guys to be able to see. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But with that being said, hope you guys get to take in and bask in the glory of all the stuff that we got going on in the background. This is Gabe. Gabe in the Miata. All right guys, so I'm all fully situated. I'm about to take this thing out here. So we're 2 cars back. We got a pretty good turnout today. It wasn't sold out. So I do think that there's more adequate time just to be able to, you know, get things prepped for the next round. I adjusted the max speeding rod coilovers, so it's 8 clicks in the front and 3 clicks in the rear. Like I said, everything that we've done so far with the steering wheel, the seats, and the shifter, I'm really hoping is going to transform things for us in terms of not having to be sliding around constantly while driving this thing to its full potential. And we got quite a pretty tight little section in the last portion of the course that you guys will see here in a sec. But I'm gonna try my best. Luckily, we kind of have weight on our side. I'll leave the windows just a crack down for, you know, a little bit more of an audible experience for you all. I'm hoping that it's not gonna pick up too much wind noise, but I think we should be good. The mighty little Honda takes this corner very well. Oh yeah. I think the tires are still gonna be cold, so we'll have to warm them up just a little bit. I'm gonna take this corner wide on this back stretch over here. Oh yeah, a little bit of lift off oversteer. That's always welcomed. It gets pretty dicey back here though, so I'm gonna take it easy through here. Yep, trying to keep it nice and tidy. My foot's buried to the floor. And I have to go hard on the brakes here. That's another thing, the brakes, definitely on the next on the to-do list. They're not super great, especially after a couple laps, but adequate enough to get the job done. Take this corner hot. Oh yeah, get a little bit of hopping there. Front wheel drive stuff. And it's very tight through here. But since this car is so small and mighty, it really makes a difference. The steering wheel is helping out so much. I mean, I'm not having to work as hard as I usually am, hanging on, and the seat's hugging me beautifully. Let's see if we can get it to red line. Yeah, there it is. For anyone that's never done autocross, I don't care what you have. It's really worth doing it. It's so much fun. And the car is performing so well. And this time I actually got gas in the thing, so I don't have to be worrying about that. So I'm definitely gonna be trying to dial this in a little bit more. I did experience some wheel hop, and I'm really hoping with the suspension upgrades that we got coming up that will remedy a lot of this. Like I was saying, you know, I definitely want to do some subframe reinforcement with this one, some sway bars, camber kit, adjustments, and really be able to fine tune all the stuff that we could do with this car. So that's kind of the next steps here, but I do really appreciate you guys tuning in for today's video. So this was a quick one. just to kind of showcase the progress that we've been making on this car. And that's actually Alan over there. He's doing some photography. So I'm gonna meet up with him here in a sec. We'll get some shots here for Corbeau, which I'm pretty stoked on. So yeah, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.